Isn't it annoying when web page take forever to load? Let's make it more interesting by adding a fun preloader to keep users entertained while they wait. In the search panel, look for the Elementor Preloader widget by XPro. Drag and drop it onto the template. This is the default view of the preloader widget. In the content tab, there is a general section. First, let's enable the show in editor option. This will display the loader while you are editing the page, making it easier to customize and adjust the widget. Okay, let's go back to the first option in the general section, that is layout. Here you have got 10 unique preloaded designs at your fingertip. Each one offers a different animation style, but that's not all. XPro Elementor also gives you the flexibility to create a custom preloader. Simply select this custom option. I'll show you how you can do so at the end of this video. I like layout tree, so selecting it. To control how long the preloader stays on the screen, use the timeout option. Let me disable the show in editor option to see how the time duration works. Lastly, the show in editor option we discussed earlier, enabling it. Okay, the content tab is completed. Let's move on to the styling tab. Personalize the preloader for Elementor by selecting a background type. Select a classic color or gradient that complements your website's design. Let's start with a classic color. Pick a shade that complements your brand. Experiment with different options until you find the perfect match. Now, let's try for the gradient. Selecting a bright color for first color stop and a complementary one for the second. You can adjust the location using these slide bars. You can also select the gradient type. Here we have linear or radial. With linear, you can set the angle, and with radial, you can adjust its position. Decide which look best suits your website. I am all in for the classic. Now let's set the color for the spinner. Choose the color from this color option. Like this color. Let me change the background color to white. And there you have it. Oh, let me show you how to create a custom preloader. Click the edit content icon to open the widget area. Drag and drop the widgets to create a custom preloader. For my example, I'm using a heading and Lottie widget by XPro. Now for the Lottie animation, you need to upload a JSON file. Think of this JSON file as the recipe for your animation. It contains all the instructions on how the animation should move and look. You can either upload it from your desktops or select from the media library like this. Good news, you can find detailed tutorials for this widget on a YouTube channel. Once you're happy, hit publish. Pretty cool, right? If you prefer a predefined style, select from the available layouts. But if you want to get creative, the custom option is perfect for you. I'm going to stick with the layout tree. Let's take a look. Wow, doesn't it look amazing? And that's it. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.